Today we're going to speak about XT240, Sulky fertilizer spreaders. Sulky is a specialist making fertilizer spreaders, and we're going to introduce you the double axle, the top of the range from the fertilizer spreaders, the XT240. This machine is a fantastic machine as it can be used for contractors and large case farmers. The biggest point on that machine is that it can be used in combination with booms and with discs together. So that's why that machine is very versatile. It can be able to spread lime, powder, humid bulk, and also granule fertilizer simply by changing the disc. The construction of the machine is very unique, as it is much more bigger at the front and narrower at the rear, making the system very smooth for unloading the tank. Inside we got a mechanical belt. I will show you. It's a volumetric system. We are purely speaking about a volumetric spreader. Volumetric spreader means that if the shutters at the back are at the right opening and the density is right and the speed constant, you always get the same volume of product which is going out of the machine. It makes a perfect accuracy from a spreading rate point of view. If we move behind the machine, we got here double shutters. So when you unfold the booms, this is a 12-meter boom versions. We have the possibility to do also variable rate application by changing the height of the shutters and also the speed of the auger. And in the same time, you can also change from powder to lime simply by adding the disc under the booms right there. And then it is hydraulically driven for the discs. It's hydraulic drive machine. That's why it's called XT240H, H for hydraulic. On that machine, again, I come back to the construction of the machine. It's higher at the front and smaller at the rear. And also inside, the belt is with a slight angle of 3 degrees, which makes sure that when the machine is emptying, you go first emptying from the front and then emptying from the rear. The benefit of that system is that you always get maximum weight on the drawbar, so the drawbar is always very stable on the road. There is no bounce and the discs at the rear are not going up and down. One more point. On that machine, we have a suspension on the drawbar. This is loaded with a spring, and then the spring is moving up and down to make sure that the machine is very flat when you go spreading in the field. It makes sure that you are not changing the working width and making a lot of dust. So when you have the booms and the machine, the booms are not going like a bird. It's very flat and stable. That machine is also equipped with air brakes, and as standard we got EU road homologation up to 40 km per hour. So this machine is fully approved to go fully loaded on the road with a certificate. And that machine also is equipped with a control box where you can manage all the functions for the machine, hydraulic, pneumatic, and you have also the possibility to do variable rate application just by simply adding an SD card onto the vision box. So really, that machine is really the top-end premium product to spread lime, fertilizer and organic products. Thanks.